how is the ripple effect illustrated in the class of teacher Elena? Okay, paano daw po na ipapakita ang ripple effect? Now, of course, this is coming from the classroom management concepts ni Jacob Kunin. No? Would this be letter A, misbehavior escalates in the classroom? Letter B, discipline takes more time than teaching. Letter C, learning is transmitted row by row. Okay? Or letter D, teacher exhaustion grows during class. Okay, I see a lot of letter A's. And of course, tumpak na choice po natin is letter A. Tama po yan. Now, you remember the ripple, di ba? Ayan po siya. Kapag meron kang inihagis na bato sa ating pong lake, for example, or dagat, no? Nagkakaroon tayo ng bigger waves. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag meron pong medyo nag-misbehave sa loob ng ating klase, dapat sinasaway natin siya right then and there, no? Mabilis yung ating aksyon. Hindi na po madamay yung iba pa niyang mga kaklase, no? Kasi kung hindi, kung papabayaan natin siya, yan nga po yung sabi ng letter A natin, misbehavior escalates in the classroom. Okay? So letter A, ang ating tumpak na choice.